Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Rentometer to estimate market rent before offers. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Rentometer website. Once on the home page, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Enter the address of the property you want to analyze. Make sure to include the city, state, and zip code for accurate results. Select the type of rental property from the drop-down menu. This can include options such as single-family homes, apartments, or condos. Specify the number of bedrooms the property has. This information is crucial for generating the most relevant rental estimates. Click on the Get Rent Estimates button to proceed. Wait a few moments for the results to populate on the screen. Review the presented rent range based on similar properties in the area. Take note of the average rent shown as well as the high and low estimates. To delve deeper, scroll down to see more detailed insights. You will find information on the rental market trends in that neighborhood. Analyze the listed properties that are similar to your target property. Consider their features and conditions for a better comparison. If you require additional analysis, use the filters available on the left side of the page. This allows you to refine your search criteria even further. Once you have gathered enough data, jot down your observations. Use these insights to inform your rental offers effectively. Now you're equipped to make informed decisions on rental pricing. Remember to revisit Rentometer periodically for updated market trends. That's how you configure Rentometer to estimate market rent before making offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.